Guys, happy Bonfire night. Today I said I'm going to review the game called the Gunpowder Plot .2 Gunpowder Plot. So basically the Gunpowder Plot begins with the Doctor setting up in Victorian times. He discovers the plot for the Sontarans and the Rutans, and then he discovers that Guy Fawkes is there. He wants to blow up the houses. Well, we know about that. He wants to have, he meets Guy Fawkes and all the people who wanted to blow up the Houses of Parliament. And the game is actually quite historically good. It tells you all this and that. But of course there weren't no Sontarans and Rutans. But anyways, yeah. So basically, what do I rate it? I probably rate it a 10 out of 10, really. Well, I'm not going to say every little detail. What's the word? The scenes were good. The acting, well, voice acting was good as usual. The clips were good. Artistic skills were good. Really, it's just a short review. Don't have to be long. I think it deserves a 10 out of 10, even though I'm not talking so long. It deserves that much, anyways. So thank you a lot for watching. The Gunpowder Plot is there for you to actually own. You can, not buy it, but actually buy it for free on the website, on Dot2's website. So thank you a lot for watching, and that's goodbye from me. And please keep safe from bonfires, keep warm 'cause it's cold out there, and just have a good bonfire night, guys. So thank you for watching from me, John Bond. Goodbye for now.